Good morning, kids. Welcome to Dayavati Modi Public School. Today is your English class and topic is sound of E. Already I taught you sound of E. Now we will revise words of sound E. Okay, children? Just see En, sound En. Now see this number 1010. Ten, 10. Pen, Pen, pen. We use for writing. This is den, Den, den. A house of lion. Pet, Pet, pet. This is net, Net, net. This is Jet, Jet, Jet. Is the fastest plane. Okay, children? Words of Ed. This is bed, Bed, bed. Used for sleeping. This is red, color of red. This is red, Red, red. Fed, fed. Okay. Now next picture is keg, Keg, keg. Leg, Leg, leg. This is peg, Peg, peg. Now we will revise once again. 10, den, pen. Pet, net, jet. Bed, red, fed. Peg, leg, keg. Okay, children? Now you will have to read all words sound of E from your book. Okay, children? Have a nice day. Thank you.